Imagine our solar system, a vast expanse of space filled with planets, moons, and the ever-present stars. It's a delicate dance of celestial bodies, each playing its part in the grand cosmic ballet. Picture the sun, a blazing ball of fire. It's not just a source of light and warmth, it's the very heart of our solar system. Its gravitational pull keeps the planets in orbit, and its energy sustains life on Earth. Now imagine the moon, a cold, rocky sphere. It may seem insignificant compared to the sun, but it plays a crucial role in our lives. Its gravitational pull affects the tides, and its phases have guided humans for millennia. What if, in a cosmic twist, we swapped them? What if the sun and the moon exchanged places in the sky? It's a mind-bending scenario that challenges our understanding of the universe. What if the sun took the moon's place? Imagine the night sky illuminated by the sun's intense glow. The darkness we associate with night would be replaced by a perpetual blinding daylight. Chaos, utter chaos. That's what would happen. The Earth's delicate balance would be thrown into disarray. The intense heat would cause extreme weather patterns leading to hurricanes, wildfires, and other natural disasters on an unprecedented scale. Our world, our solar system, would be unrecognizable. The very fabric of our existence would be altered. The ecosystems that rely on the natural cycle of day and night would be disrupted, leading to a cascade of changes that would affect every living organism. This isn't just a science fiction story, it's a thought experiment. A way to stretch our imaginations and explore the boundaries of what we know. It challenges us to think about the fundamental forces that shape our universe. It helps us understand the delicate balance of our universe. The sun and the moon are perfectly positioned to support life on Earth. Their roles are not interchangeable. Each has a unique and irreplaceable function. It shows us how important the sun and moon are to our existence. The sun provides the energy needed for life, while the moon's gravitational pull stabilizes the Earth's rotation and affects the tides. Let's explore the consequences of this cosmic switch. By imagining such a scenario, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate design of our solar system and the forces that govern it. It's a reminder of the beauty and complexity of the universe we inhabit. The moon, now in the sun's place, wouldn't light our world. It would cast a pale, eerie glow, barely illuminating the surroundings. The familiar warmth and brightness of the sun would be replaced by a cold, distant light. It would be a dim, ghostly orb against the backdrop of a star-studded sky. The stars, though beautiful, would offer no solace. They would twinkle in the vast darkness, reminding us of the warmth we once had. But those stars wouldn't provide warmth. They would be mere pinpricks of light, cold and distant. The constellations, once a source of wonder, would now be a reminder of our lost sun. Earth would plunge into an eternal night. Temperatures would plummet. Oceans would freeze. Cities would be covered in ice, and landscapes would become unrecognizable. The world we know would be transformed into a frozen, desolate place. Life as we know it depends on the sun's energy. The sun's rays nourish our planet, allowing plants to grow and ecosystems to thrive. Without it, the delicate balance of life would be disrupted. Without it, plants would wither, animals would freeze, the lush forests and vibrant fields would turn into barren wastelands. The cycle of life, from the smallest insect to the largest mammal, would be broken. The food chain would collapse. With no plants to feed on, herbivores would starve. Predators, in turn, would have no prey. The intricate web of life built over millions of years would unravel. The once vibrant Earth would become a barren, icy wasteland. The beauty of nature, the diversity of life, all would be lost. The world would be a shadow of its former self, a cold, lifeless planet drifting in the darkness of space. But the chaos doesn't end there. Imagine the sun, now a fiery orb in the moon's place. It would hang close, scorching the Earth with its intense heat. Our planet, once teeming with life, would become an inferno. Deserts would expand, forests would ignite, the polar ice caps would melt away, flooding coastal cities. The very air would become hot and heavy, difficult to breathe. Earth would transform into a hellscape. The sun's gravitational pull is far stronger than the moon's. With the sun so close, our oceans would be in turmoil. Tides would become monstrous, surging across continents. Coastlines would be reshaped. Imagine waves taller than mountains, crashing down with unimaginable force. Cities would be swallowed, islands would vanish beneath the waves. The delicate balance of ocean currents would be disrupted, throwing marine ecosystems into chaos. The combined effects of eternal night, scorching heat, and tidal chaos would spell doom for life on Earth. Ecosystems would collapse, food chains would disintegrate, species would vanish, the lush rainforests would become silent, the vibrant coral reefs would bleach and die, the once thriving plains would turn to dust bowls. Earth, once a paradise, would become a desolate graveyard. Nocturnal animals adapted to the darkness would be thrown into disarray. The constant light of the sun would disrupt their hunting patterns and sleep cycles. They would wander, confused and disoriented. Bats, owls, and other creatures of the night would struggle to survive. Their prey, blinded by the constant light, would become easier to catch, but the predators themselves would be exposed and vulnerable. The delicate balance of the natural world would be shattered. The moon's gravitational pull is essential for ocean currents. These currents distribute nutrients and regulate temperatures, supporting a diverse range of marine life. But with the sun in the moon's place, these currents would weaken. The oceans would become stagnant like giant lifeless pools, marine ecosystems would suffer, fish would suffocate, coral reefs would bleach, the once teeming oceans would become silent and barren. This cosmic switch, while hypothetical, teaches us a valuable lesson. Imagine for a moment if the stars and planets were not in their precise positions. The gravitational forces that hold our universe together would be thrown into chaos. The delicate dance of celestial bodies, which has been ongoing for billions of years, would be disrupted, leading to unimaginable consequences. Our universe is a tapestry of interconnected systems. Each star, planet, and galaxy plays a role in maintaining the balance. The gravitational pull of the moon affects the tides on Earth, while the sun's energy drives our climate and weather patterns. These interactions are not random. They are the result of precise and delicate balances that have evolved over time. The sun and moon in their rightful places are crucial for life on Earth. The sun provides the energy necessary for photosynthesis, which is the foundation of our food chain. The moon's gravitational pull stabilizes the Earth's axial tilt, which in turn regulates our seasons. Without these celestial bodies in their exact positions, life as we know it would not be possible. This thought experiment reminds us of the delicate balance that makes our existence possible. The changing seasons, the blooming of flowers, and the migration of animals are all tied to the rhythms of our planet, which are influenced by the positions of celestial bodies. It is a reminder of how interconnected and interdependent our world truly is. It underscores the importance of understanding and appreciating the wonders of our universe. By studying the stars and planets, we gain insights into the forces that shape our world. The northern lights, for example, are a beautiful display of the interaction between the Earth's magnetic field and solar winds. These phenomena are not just beautiful, they are windows into the complex systems that govern our universe. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating explorations of hypothetical scenarios and scientific wonders. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on our latest videos where we delve into the mysteries of the cosmos, explore the intricacies of our planet, and ponder the possibilities of what lies beyond. Join us on this journey of discovery and wonder.